In this day and age, if I talk to a business owner and they're not using a CRM, I have one thought. They're honestly not serious about growth. And I'm going to tell you why. These days, businesses should be prioritizing their sales and marketing. In fact, about 60 to 70% have demand constraints. That means they need more leads to grow and even survive. So if you're not collecting that data, you're not tracking that data, what are you doing? Leaving it all in your head, putting it on a spreadsheet? This is not the right way to run a business. If you don't track, you cannot optimize. If you don't automate, you can't scale. If you're not replying instantly, you are literally leaving money on the table and giving your competitors a chance to steal your leads. The average business leaks thousands of dollars per month. Data they're throwing away, emails that are just living in ghosted inboxes. This is not the way to run or grow your business. Whereas the businesses that do use a CRM, they absolutely crush it. We're talking a 57% increase in sales, a 94% increase on sales staff productivity, and up to 245% higher revenue. Because they know who their customers are, they track the information, they have a 53% higher customer satisfaction and retention rate, and 300% higher chance of converting. And to be honest, that's before we've included any type of AI in the deal here. If you are considering AI, CRMs become even more important. They become the central nervous system of your business. That's because AI needs data. It needs your consumer data. It needs somewhere to add the enrichment. It needs a place to pull the meeting transcripts, the product information. Your CRM is the perfect place to run the kind of automations that will help you grow or scale your business. And if you're thinking about launching your own AI business, reselling a CRM like Go High Level is one of the easiest ways to get recurring revenue. If you can customize it, add your AI as a layer on top of it, you will provide a vastly better service than 90% of the other CRMs out there. So honestly, without a CRM, you're going to be guessing about your pipelines and your leads. You're going to be missing deals and opportunities because you're not following up. You're going to be losing referrals and not looking after your key partners. You're going to be wasting the marketing money you spend on getting those links, especially if you're running ads. All in all, you will be absolutely killing your momentum. So if you're not nurturing, not replying instantly, not tracking your numbers, it's probably what's leading you to feel so stuck in your business right now. So I've got an action plan for you. I'm going to keep this very, very high level. You can check me out. I've got more information in my school community about how to set up a Go High Level account. But it doesn't really matter what CRM you choose. Just get set up, link up your calendar, add a form so that the contacts or the leads go straight into your CRM system. Add a simple automation so they get an instant reply. Guide them towards the resource or a calendar, some way for them to take action. And then just build a very, very simple pipeline. That will allow you to track where your leads are at any given time. This will probably take an hour or two, even if you're not very tech savvy. You just need to go and take that first step. Take action. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just need somewhere where your leads can go, somewhere where you can track the data and perform some simple automations. They do not even need to be AI powered. Again, if you want any help with this, join my free school community, Make Money with AI. We've got a load of posts guiding you along the way, plus some videos in our classroom about how to set this up for Go High Level.